For centuries, humanity has pondered the nature of the universe, seeking answers in philosophy, science, and spirituality. What if the universe itself is not just a collection of stars, planets, and galaxies, but something far more profound, a conscious, living brain? Even more mind-bending, what if you, me, and everything we experience are merely thoughts within that cosmic brain? This idea, while speculative, ties together concepts from neuroscience, physics, and philosophy. It forces us to reconsider the boundaries between the mind, the universe, and existence itself. Let's delve into what this could mean and explore how science and metaphysics bring this theory to life. The notion of the universe behaving like a brain is not entirely new. In 2020, researchers at the University of Bologna and the University of Verona in Italy found striking similarities between the structure of the universe and that of a human brain. Using computer simulations, they compared the cosmic web clusters of galaxies connected by filaments of dark matter and gas to the neural network of the human brain. Astonishingly, both systems exhibit a similar organization, with nodes, galaxies, or neurons connected by threads, dark matter filaments, or synapses. On a macroscopic scale, the cosmic web's complexity rivals the brain's neural networks. Approximately 70% of the universe's mass energy is dark energy, analogous to the way our brains process most information unconsciously. Could this be evidence of a thinking universe? The idea that the universe might be conscious fits within a broader philosophical framework called panpsychism. Panpsychism posits that consciousness is not unique to humans, but is a fundamental property of all matter. According to this view, every particle, from atoms to entire galaxies, possesses some form of awareness. If the universe is a massive, interconnected system, it's not far-fetched to imagine it might exhibit a form of emergent consciousness. This aligns with the concept of emergent phenomena, complex systems, like the brain, gaining properties like thought or consciousness that individual parts lack. Panpsychism's implications are profound. You are not merely an observer of the universe, but a participant in its consciousness, an individual thought, in the cosmic mind. Quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, might also lend credence to the idea of a thinking universe. The famous double-slit experiment suggests that particles behave differently when observed, implying a link between observation and reality. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics, like the participatory anthropic principle, suggest that the universe only exists because we observe it, and by extension, because it is conscious. Roger Penrose, a prominent physicist, has even speculated that consciousness arises from quantum processes within the brain. If true, could similar quantum processes in the universe at large contribute to a universal consciousness? If the universe is a brain, what does it mean to be one of its thoughts? Consider your own brain. It generates countless thoughts, emotions, and perceptions every second. These thoughts are fleeting but interconnected, forming a tapestry of consciousness. Similarly, your existence could be one of the universe's countless thoughts, a fleeting but essential part of its self-awareness. Every human experience, every joy and sorrow, could be the universe contemplating itself. This perspective also invites a profound sense of interconnectedness. Just as neurons in your brain work together to create your conscious experience, we, as individuals, might be connected in ways we cannot yet perceive, forming the consciousness of the cosmos. The idea of the universe as a giant brain echoes themes from spiritual traditions. Hinduism, for instance, describes the concept of Brahman, the ultimate reality from which all things arise, as a unified field of consciousness. Similarly, indigenous philosophies often view the universe as a living entity, imbued with spirit and purpose. Modern science, while still far from proving such ideas, increasingly acknowledges the interconnectedness of all things. Concepts like the holographic principle, which suggests that the universe's information might be encoded on its boundary, hint at deeper layers of reality yet to be understood. Whether or not the universe is a literal brain, this idea challenges us to think differently about our place in the cosmos. It invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as integral parts of a larger, interconnected whole. What if every decision we make, every act of kindness, and every creative thought contributes to the universe's consciousness? Viewing the universe as a thinking entity blurs the line between science and spirituality, encouraging us to explore new ways of understanding existence. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, consider this: those shimmering stars and vast galaxies might not just be out there, they might be within you, and you within them. Perhaps the greatest thought of all is this: we are the universe, contemplating itself.